let's have a look at question 17. We'll do 17a. I'm just going to annoy me if it's not red, sorry. Show that this whole creepy looking thing here is a hyperbola. Well, the only thing I can do is to expand both sides. Like, the only thing I can think of doing is expanding both sides. So I'm going to have, although that is the difference of two squares, I'm going to do expanding both sides first and then difference of two squares next and see what happens. Okay, so x plus y all squared is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. You know, a plus b all squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. A take b all squared is a squared take 2ab plus b squared, so using that. Minus then x take y squared. Well, I'll do this in brackets because I want to minus it all afterwards. That'll be x squared take 2xy plus y squared equals 4. So that gives me x squared plus 2xy plus y squared take x squared plus 2xy take y squared. Oh, my x squareds disappear, my y squareds disappear, and I end up with 4xy equals 4. Divide both sides by 4, I end up with xy equals 1, which is the same as y equals 1 on x. Sketch it. Oh, well, that's simple enough. Once again, we don't have to be amazing with these. Y x. Well, if x is negative, y will be negative, so yoink. Y is positive, x is positive, yoink. That's it, that's sketched. Okay, 17b. Oh, I did say that I was going to do this by difference of two squares. Oh, okay. So remember difference of two squares, a squared take b squared is a take b, a plus b. So this one I've got x plus y take x take y, x plus y plus x plus y equals 4, which gives me x take y, to x plus y take x plus y times x plus y plus x take y equals 4. So I end up with 2y times 2x. 4xy equals 4, etc. Yeah, probably expanding it was the quicker way. 17b. Show that that is the equation of a circle. Let's expand it. X plus y squared plus x take y squared equals 4. So we've got x squared plus 2xy plus y squared plus x squared take 2xy plus y squared equals 4. I've got two lots of x squared, I've got two lots of y squared, and the xy's disappeared. Halve everything, I get x squared plus y squared equals 2, which is a circle. Center 0, 0, radius root 2. So if I were to sketch this, why did I go far out on the x's? I didn't need to. X. Let's just draw a generic circle. And we'll probably say that this is the point root 2, 0. And to show this was 1 on x, I'll say that this is the point 1, 1. Because 1 over 1 is 1. Okay, solve these two equations simultaneously. Begin by subtracting the equation of the hyperbola from the equation of the circle. Which means I want the equation of the circle first, so I'm going to have x squared plus y squared equals 2, and I'm going to minus, actually no, there must have been a better way to do this. I should do this with the initial, why did I copy that? Initial equations. So I've got x plus y squared minus x take y squared equals 4. That's the equation of my hyperbola, which I'm subtracting from the equation of my circle. X plus y squared plus x take y squared equals 4. So if I'm doing this equation minus this equation, let's do it top and bottom. X squared plus y squared minus x squared plus y squared comes out as 0. X take y squared minus negative x take y squared comes out as the minus minus to the plus, so I've got 2 lots of x take y squared. 4 take 4 equals 0. Divide both sides by 2, I get x take y squared equals 0 divided by 2, which is 0. Square root both sides, I get x take y equals 0. Rearrange, I get y equals x, or x equals y, it doesn't matter. That's it simultaneously. So they meet when the x-coordinate is the same as the y-coordinate. Sketch both curves on the same number plane, showing the points of intersection. Gee, great. So this one I'm actually going to have to do pretty well. Okay. I'm going to start off with this line, x equals y. So x equals y has a gradient of 1, and and this was y, and this was x. So when x is 1, y is 1. X is 2, y is 2. X is 3, y is 3. Same with the minuses. Okay. This is going to be kind of not great to put my hyperbola on. I'll put it on a different colour. But don't forget this hyperbola went through the point 1, 1. So I've got to make sure I hit this point here. And this one, should have done a much better job of that. There. So that's the equation y equals 1 on x. Now this circle has a radius root 2. I know x squared plus y squared equals 2. When x equals 1, I'm just subbing that in. 1 plus y squared equals 2, so y equals 1 and negative 1. Which means this circle's going to hit, I should do it in a different colour, here, here, and it's also going to go through here and here. So let me try and draw my circle to go through all these points. That's it. And that's my x squared plus y squared equals 2. So the points of intersection, I'm going to mark these in pink, were 1 and 1, and negative 1 and negative 1. So again, they were the points where x equaled y. We didn't get like 2 and negative 2 because the circle wasn't that big. That's it. Yeah, that's D. Let me mark these on 17C and 17D.